Hi, hello, good morning. This is Indra with you, and I would like to share, if you stay in Ajman Uptown, you might face this problem. So here in Ajman Uptown, we're using a pump, water pump, to deliver the water from this is underground tank. So we used to we need to call the water guys to fill this one up when it's empty. All right, so and this is the pump. The pump will send the water from down to up upper tank, yeah, somewhere there in the rooftop. All right, the problem is this is the machine, yeah. I switch it off. It's gonna be the manual, yeah. See, this is the pressure gauge, yeah. So if you see, the pressure gauge is down, yeah. It's maybe around 15 psi. So that one is not enough to push the water up. So that's what they call the air lock. So the air is locked between the system. So you can call the maintenance guy to fix it. They will come, they will fix it, but the thing is we don't know what time they will come. So here I saw them, I watched them how they fix it, and I learned it, and now I can fix it by myself. It take me maybe about less than 5 minutes, yeah. Just make sure the water, the underground water tank is already filled, yeah. So what you will need is, you will need a wrench, yeah, a water. So now the first step is we want to, okay, this one is the valve, yeah. We want to close this valve, yeah. Some filler, I see this one is located on the top. Whatever its location, you need to close it, yeah. So we close it, turn it to the right, yeah, fully close. All right, now you want to open this connection, yeah, the link, yeah. You can just use it with your hand. Every time I open it, I'm not close it that tight, just normal tight, yeah. Okay, let's keep it open, yeah. Let's slide it down, and be careful, there is a rubber here, yeah. Don't lose that rubber, yeah. All right, and after that you want to open this small screw here using your wrench, yeah. Okay. All right, now it's open. This is the cover, yeah. And we will put a water inside that hole, yeah. So the water will fill up the machine, yeah, the water pump. Okay, oopsie. Yeah, fill it until full, until it's overfilled. And then what you're gonna do, you will switch this one on, yeah. A, this means automatic, H is manual, yeah. Either way you can do it, yeah. So before that you have to close it with your hand, just cover it with your hands, yeah. And then I will switch it on. See, the water will come, and yeah, that is our water. It's not that clean, yeah. Okay, switch it off again. Alright, you have to do it a couple times, yeah. So this is the first attempt. And now put again the water, yeah. So yeah, the water here is not the best one. Alright, just gonna put the bottle there, so the water will goes in again. Okay, now I'm gonna put again with my hand, okay, with my palm, and I switch it on again, yeah. Okay. All right, it's not strong enough. Okay, do it again. So that was the second attempt, now is the third one. Okay, close it back and then switch it on. Okay, it's getting harder. Okay, all right. Oh wow, yeah, when you see the water is strong like that, okay, you can stop it. Yeah, that's mean you got the water pressure to push the water from down to up, so your water pump basically, I mean, it's all right now. Just make sure again you fill it up again until it's full. All right, now we just need to close it back. Yeah, okay, close it back. So sometimes you have to do it more than once. We did it 3 times, yeah, or maybe more, yeah. Okay, not too tight, just normal torque, yeah, normal. So next time you're gonna open it, you don't have any difficulties, and just make sure this one is closed properly as well. Yeah, don't lose the rubber, otherwise the water will be leak. Yeah. All right, close it back. All right, all good, and then we open again the valve, so the water will goes up. Why we close this one? If we keep it open, the water from top, it might goes out from here. Yeah, so we need to close this one. Oh, now we open it because it's everything's okay now. Yeah, just turn it full to the left. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna switch it on. Choose A for automatic, and here you go. Look at that, that's the gauge. Yeah, it's going up. It's around 30 psi. Yeah, so that's it, that's good. So once the tank on the top is full, the pump will switch off automatically. All right, so that's how I'm doing it. Hope it's helped, hope it can help you. Who knows, you're fed up calling out the maintenance, and see you again in the next video. Ciao.